Welcome to this quiet corner of the world, where time slows to the rhythm of a setting sun. Here, in the heart of our hidden cottage garden, the day begins to exhale its final golden breath. Every surface glows with an amber light, and the air is filled with the scent of late-blooming flowers. Let us wander through this sanctuary, letting the soft warmth guide our steps toward peace. Drifting past the garden edge, I admire the way the golden light catches the delicate purple petals. The structure stands firm against the softening sky, casting a gentle shadow across the lawn. It is a moment of pure stillness, where the day seems to pause in reflection. I find myself grounding my spirit in this simple, elegant vertical display. Nature here feels curated and calm, a perfect introduction to our evening stroll. Kneeling down, I trace the cool, solid texture of the stone that anchors this corner of the garden. The surface is perfectly flat, reflecting the dying sunlight in a soft, muted glow. There are no weeds here, only the pristine elegance of carefully placed mineral beauty. It feels incredibly solid and reassuring beneath my touch, a foundation for all that grows nearby. This spot reminds me that even the most grounded elements have a quiet story to tell. Strolling slowly, I run my hand along the smooth, treated wood that holds the garden's weight with grace. The amber hour transforms the grain, making the timber look almost liquid in its warmth. It feels like a sturdy companion, holding up the beauty of the surrounding flower beds. I take a deep breath, feeling the pulse of the garden settling into the evening. There is a profound sense of order here that feels both inviting and deeply restorative. Gazing toward the small table, my eyes rest upon the fine porcelain that captures the fading light. The glaze is flawless, holding the essence of this golden hour within its fragile rim. It feels intimate, like a quiet promise of a warm drink shared in solitude. I lean in, watching how the light plays across the pristine finish of the china. Every detail is perfectly placed, creating a scene of absolute, uncomplicated domestic peace. Pausing at the garden's edge, I look across the expanse to where the wood meets the open air. The structure creates a perfect frame for the distant, glowing trees that line our peaceful retreat. Everything looks meticulously maintained, catching the final honeyed rays of the day. It is a view that invites the eye to wander and the mind to finally let go. I feel the day's responsibilities melting away into the soft, amber horizon. Reaching down, I observe the smooth, rounded stones that define the threshold of this sanctuary. They are polished to a shine, free from dust and debris, just as everything in this space should be. The golden light makes them appear almost like liquid gold, rippling on the ground. I sit for a moment on the edge, feeling the cool stability of the stone beneath me. It is the perfect place to feel the transition of the world from busy to still. Wandering further, I drift past the shelving where everything finds its rightful home. The wood is light and pristine, scrubbed clean to highlight its natural, understated beauty. It represents the quiet discipline of a gardener who loves their tools and their space. I feel a sense of clarity looking at such an organized, intentional arrangement. This is the heart of the garden's utility, transformed into something truly lovely. Focusing my gaze, I observe the metallic warmth of the vessel as it sits in the golden sun. The surface is hammered to perfection, reflecting the amber light in a way that feels incredibly cozy. It serves as a small, functional anchor amidst the lush greenery of our secret corner. I lean toward the surface, admiring the craftsmanship that makes even simple utility feel like art. This is a moment of refined, quiet beauty in the stillness of the afternoon. Admiring from afar, I see the forged boundary that keeps this garden feeling like a private, enchanted realm. The iron is dark and clean, catching the last of the sun's glow on its pointed tips. It creates a sense of safety and enclosure, perfect for a solitary stroll in the fading light. Beyond this edge, the world remains distant, while here, everything is quiet and contained. I am struck by how such a simple border can define the entire atmosphere of peace. Kneeling on the hard, cool surface, I feel the weight of the day lift as I connect with the earth. The blue-toned stone is perfectly leveled, offering a stable place to pause and breathe in the fragrant air. It is a beautiful threshold, marking the difference between the bustle of life and this quiet, golden retreat. I run my hand across the texture, enjoying the cool sensation against the warmth of the setting sun. There is nowhere else I need to be but here right now. pedestal, I drift past the rich, dark wood that showcases the garden's treasures. The grain is deep and inviting, holding its own against the golden intensity of the evening glow. It is a stationary point of focus, drawing the eye with its polished, intentional presence. I feel the calm emanating from the sturdy construction, a testament to the care put into every corner. This is a sanctuary where even the furniture seems to be resting. Leaning toward the table, I observe the soft, crisp folds of the fabric that wait for a guest. It is perfectly pressed, a small detail that speaks to the pride of maintaining such a pristine space. The golden light hits the weave, creating a texture that looks remarkably inviting and gentle. My gaze rests upon it, imagining the quiet joy of a late afternoon spent here in reflection. Rest here, in this garden of soft shadows and golden light, and let your heart find its home forever.